Top 10 WTF facts. 10. There are more than 300 dead bodies on Mount Everest. 9. A meteor as strong as 10 atomic bombs exploded over Earth. And everyone missed it. 8. Dogs like squeaking toes because it sounds like their prey. 7. If the sun exploded, you wouldn't know until 8 minutes later. 6. Ferrets will die after a year of no sex. 5. The longest hiccups lasted nearly 69 years. 4. You swallow about 365 cups of mucus in a year. 3. You sweat an average of 26 gallons on your bed per year. 2. A cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. 1. Shadows are darker on the moon.